What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's a very special day for us. I mean for me and for us, for the team. So yeah, I'm excited for it, and yeah, I wanna document this whole day. So I woke up so early today that I had a chance to go for breakfast in the morning. So that was something new. I think that's like my first breakfast in like 3 weeks. Yeah, I've been waking up late and going to bed late, so yeah, having breakfast this morning was amazing, and it went something like this. Currently, I bought some noodles the other day. It looks pretty good. Some Chinese noodle, and I'm gonna cook them for lunch. Alright, let's go. And laundry is just part of adulting, I guess. Doing laundries, hanging up clothes. I mean, I used to do that since I was a little kid. My mom would, beat the hell out of me. Hey, go hang the clothes, blah blah blah. So yeah, but now I'm doing all this without my mom nagging. But I've learned to live with it and love it. So yeah, doing laundry on a Sunday is just a routine for me now. Plastic layer within a plastic layer. Very thoughtful. Oh my god, looking good. Oh no. I think I kinda overcooked the noodle here. Oh no. Definitely needed this drink, the sweet milk, after that spicy noodle. Now I'm actually on my way to a football field in Bedok, which is like super far away. But yeah, let's go. I need to catch the bus. I'll tell you guys later. So today is actually the start of Myanmar National Cup in Singapore, which consists of 20 Myanmar team, which is pretty crazy. I never thought that there'll be that amount of Burmese player here in Singapore, and everything is just intense, and it's not gonna be like a normal weekend game. It's gonna be tough. It's gonna be a lot more challenging, a lot more exciting. So yeah, I'm excited about it, and I want to vlog about it. It's New Jersey, together for decades. What's that? Organizer. T-shirt organizer. Captain. Pace master. Alright, first things first, it's gonna be a photo shoot for the whole team. 3 poses each. Captain, please introduce yourself. Alright. Hello. Just queuing up for my turn. Looking good, eh?
Các bạn nhớ 1, 2, 3. Các bạn nhớ 1, 2, 3.
Intense game, guys. How many red cards? 3 red cards and 6 yellow cards. Woo. But we won 4-0. Why red card?
Bro, it's not intentionally, bro.
My head is
No intentional. Oi, oi. This guy missed a chance 1v1.
3 times! 3 times! Into
3 times.
open goal means
Open goal. Alright. Let me intro some clean sheet buddies. Center back.
Yeah.
Wow. Clean sheet, bro.
First time.
Wow. Left back. Clean sheet. Whoa. It's you, bro.
Shit, man.
This one also clean sheet, bro.
Bro.
Right. Just as usual, we are going for dinner as a group. We can't be going out as a team because we have like 25 to 30 players. So yeah, going off as a small group. I think we might be eating mokkata. Let's go. New faces. Okay, long way to go. Bro, what are you doing, bro? Whew. Finally home after some dinner and some drinks. By the way, it was incredible. I can't wait. Okay, let me just get the shirt and then show it to you guys straight. This is our home jersey, which we didn't get to wear it today because we are actually playing an away ground. Number 24. I got this number 24 from Kobe Bryant. I just love like his mentality, his quotes. So yeah, I stick to number 24 for the longest time. I used to get number 10 because I play in the midfield. But wow, today was, it was an easy team, but yeah, we kind of panicked as a whole team and we didn't do really well in the first half. Yeah, we didn't manage to score. We only scored one free kick, beautiful free kick by Pomiet. Wow. And yeah, the energy, the passion is never the same when you're playing a tournament game, when you're playing for school, when you're playing for a team, which I am. It was just incredible. I was quite bad when I got there to, I said it, I wanted to document this whole thing, but yeah, the energy there was just different. I was a little bit too occupied with, taking photos and videos with the photographer, so I can't wait for those photos as well. So it was incredible. Oh my god, we still have 4 more weeks. That's like the group stage, and then quarterfinal, semi-final, and then final. I'm very optimistic that our team will reach to the final. I'm working hard for it. I'm training hard for it. And yeah, today, it was incredible game for me. I played the whole 90 minutes, which was incredible. And I'm thankful for, not subbing me out, because we actually have like 30 players and we want to give everyone a chance to play. But yeah, I don't know why I didn't get picked to be subbed out, but it was, incredible. Incredible 90 minutes, incredible people, incredible friends, incredible game. So yeah, might be a little bit too short for the vlog, but yeah, it was just amazing. So I'll probably post this up as a memory post and a memory vlog for the start of the tournament. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.